In front of me is Realme 9 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up app lock on this device. Firstly, go into settings. Now scroll down, select passwords and security, click on privacy password and pick one of those options. I will go with pattern. After that, you can tap on use a different password type and pick the best login methods for you. I will go with pattern though, so I have to draw it and repeat it. Over here, you can set recovery email by tapping over here, entering it and choosing save. And you need to also answer this security question or tap on it and pick one of those. You can also though tap on the question, choose custom question and create your own. When you're ready, save it by clicking on confirm and remember to answer it correctly below. When you're ready, choose this check mark at the top right corner and now click on app lock. Then you need to click on the switcher next to app lock over here and finally pick apps that you wish to lock, in my case Ampere app. After that you need to select use if you wish to use your face data to unlock your apps, but you can always go with cancel and just click home button. Now when I try to access my app, as you can see, pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!